Hello, today we're going to be building a chess app from scratch. It's perfect tutorial for someone who's never coded before. We'll teach you how to install all the necessary softwares and dependencies and what it all means, and then we'll get you to launch your first app. You're going to start by going to cursor.com and clicking download. Cursor is the code editor where you're going to be able to edit the files. Go through the sign up and setup process. It's pretty straightforward. Then you'll go to node.js.org and install for your computer. This lets you run chessboard tools within your app, saving you a lot of time. Once Cursor is finished downloading, you're going to want to open up a new terminal and type the following commands exactly. They'll also be in the description of the video for easy copy and paste. xcode-select --install. And then just click the install button, and you'll have to agree to the terms as well. Then wait for it to finish. Then just to confirm everything is working, type in node-v and npm-v. If you see any version number, you know it installed correctly. Now that everything is installed, it's time to actually create the app. So you're going to type in npx create-react-app and then give it a name. Here I gave it the name chess-app. Click Y as in yes, and then click enter. React will let you build an app very easily through small manageable components, including the chessboard, which we'll import in a second. Now that it's done installing, you must make sure that you're in the directory that you made your app in. You can do that by typing cd space and then the folder's name, so here chess-app. Then to launch the app, you'll simply type npm start and click enter. It should automatically open in your Google Chrome at the destination localhost :3000. Now this is a default React template which is ready to be customized to your liking. Back in the code editor, you're going to want to open up the folder you're working in. Click on src, which means source code, and then click app.js, which is the primary place that your app is running from. Now I have my code editor and my browser open side by side, and you can see the text matches in both of them where it says edit src/app.js and save to reload. You can do exactly that. Whatever you want to make it change to say, type that in, and then click Command S to save it, and it will update in the app. Here I'll write, "Hello Chess World. This is a chess app," and then I'll save it. You can ignore this little pop-up. Notice how the app here on the right now reads the same thing. Hello Chess World, this is a chess app. Next, back in the terminal, you'll type in npm install chess.js. This is the library that enforces the logic of the chess moves. Then you'll want to type npm install react-chessboard at 4.7.3. This is the chessboard and the pieces themselves. You don't have to put the numbers there, but I prefer to use this version. I find it the easiest. Now back in the app.js file, you're going to want to import the chessboard and then add the chessboard component below the Hello Chess World. The great thing about Cursor, the code editor, is that it has AI directly integrated in it, so you can see it's actually auto-suggesting what it thinks I'm going to type because it knows I just installed the chessboard library. After saving, the chessboard has now been added. I'm going to remove the React image just to give us more space. Once I delete and save, it's gone, and the chessboard is there, ready to be played on. You can make moves by dragging and dropping. You'll also notice that there's no logic yet being applied. White can move many times in a row, the knight can move in a straight line, etc. So here comes the fun part. Click View, then go to Cursor to open up a new chat. And now you can start asking it to update things within your app. For example, I'm going to ask the AI, can you add chess.js logic to my chessboard in app.js so it knows where to look? Ensure there is smooth error handling in case illegal moves are made. And also add a button below the board to reset the game. And now you wait and let the AI work its magic. There's so many possibilities that are opened up with Cursor. I recommend getting a premium version. I think it's only about $20 per month, and it unlocks so much potential. I'm going to manually reduce the board width just by typing board width equals bracket 600 pixels. And now we have our board. You can see illegal moves are not being allowed, but legal moves still are. And the reset game button resets everything. Next, we can ask it to add an automatic move response by the opposite color, which will be black, after white makes its move. Pick at random. Also, center the board relative to the page. The AI will work its magic, and it will explain everything it does to you. Here it did center the board for a second, but then it glitched out for some reason, so we'll just ignore that for right now. It's an easy fix later on. And now when we make a move, black automatically responds. So I quickly adjusted the centering of the board, and just to show you more moves being played out as well. React Chessboard is really cool because it lets you customize a lot of different things, like the color of the board or the position that you start from. There's lots of different variables, which I'll show you in a later video, but today I wanted to show you how to get set up with the chessboard app from scratch, which is what we've done here. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and come back for the next episode where I'll show you how to improve on the app that you've already built.